thing.
Warriors are afraid to meet the tiger in his own ground. That's why they dig traps for him. Get back, quick! It's all right now. Quick.
Mo-kuyi, Caius, arm yourselves and come with me. My daughter, she was captured by those men from the ship. Their tracks lead toward the beach.
How did it happen?
Come on, I'll tell you about it.
But I tell you, there isn't any treasure. You know as much about the gold as we do.
Ah, stow it. I happen to know different. If you don't want to tell us where the treasure is hid, there's other ways of finding out.
I'd tell you in a minute, but it's all a mistake.
Lock her up in a cabin, Dirk. I think we'll be hearing from those on shore before long.
Oh, over here. It's your cabin. You ought to feel right at home.
Hey, Dirk.
What now?
We're looking for the girl. We better go ashore and leave instructions for her.
What do you mean?
I'm thinking that when Monroe finds out we're holding his daughter, he'll be very glad to exchange the treasure for her. Let's get going. All right, Joe.
Back. You'll be shot.
You tell your Indian friends to lay off their arrows.
What have you done with Beth?
Read that note, you'll find out.
We are holding your daughter aboard the ship. She will not be hurt if you will deliver the treasure to us, Salerno. But there isn't any treasure.
Don't give me that stuff.
I tell you, we don't know anything about it.
You heard me. Bring us the treasure and you can have your daughter back. I'll give you 1 hour.
This is an impossible situation.
I have a treasure. There's much gold and precious stones. Mo-kuyi and I found it in the wreck of an ancient ship. I could return with it in a short time.
Why, this is unbelievable. You mean that...
You are my father's closest friend. The treasure is yours if it'll help you at this time.
You have my undying gratitude.
Stay here, Tony. Come with me, George.
Yes, sir.
Look! Dr. Monroe!
Alan, Professor.
We'd just about given you up.
So had we.
We?
Oh, excuse me. These are friends. Alan Kendall and Professor Williams, whom we feared lost.
Never seen so much gold in all my life.
This is marvelous. Tell them we're ready.
Ahoy, the Alberta! We've got the treasure! I knew they were stolen. Come on.
And it sure is a shame to see all this good gold wasted on them no good pirates.
Step back there, all of you. No monkey business now. Keep cover, Joe.
Holy mackerel!
What a haul!
Must be worth at least $500,000.
Easy that. Boy, did we strike it lucky. All right, take it to the boat.
I'll go out with you and bring Miss Monroe ashore.
You will not.
Sure, you can come along. Climb aboard.
Amenuchita.
Awaki.
My word! What a pity to discover such a wonderful treasure and then to have to turn it over to those pirates.
I already thought of that, Professor Bill. Look!
My word! How did you manage it?
I just reached in and grabbed them, that's all.
They must be frightfully heavy.
Sure, I can't hardly stand up. Help! Help! Help!
Well, where's Miss Monroe?
She's in our cabin, sir. Hey! She's staying here.
What do you mean? We've kept our part of the bargain.
Well, I changed my mind. When the tide comes in, we're sailing for the States, and we're taking you both along with us.
Why, you...
Tie him and lock him up.
What do you want with him?
We're going to need a navigator, ain't we? Take the chest below. There she is, boys. We're rich.
How are we going to split it?
50-50. Half for you guys and the balance for me. Any complaints?
Okay.
Nothing to do now until high tide. What do you say we celebrate?
That's a good idea. Good idea.
All right, Red. Go below and get a case and take it up on the forward deck. Come on.
Well, now, when you talk about celebrating...
Raise you 500.
Kind of careless with your money there, ain't you, Carl?
Oh, that's all right. I'm rich now. Always wanted to play with $100 chips.
Busted.
What are you going to bet?
I bet 100.
Keep an eye on the shore there, Pete.
Okay, I just get dry walking up and down.
How many cards?
Give me one.
2.
Give me 3.
Give me one.
Give me 1.
We'll try to get ashore in the little boat.
They're holding Al in the next cabin. In here.
I bet 100.
Oh, I bet.
Guns and treasure are in the captain's cabin. You can pass it to us out the porthole and we'll come around in the dory. Give me the first aid kit. Hey, it's in that cabinet on the wall.
Hey, Red, you're out. Run down and get half a dozen more bottles, will you?
All right.
What was that?
Got him.
What are you going to do?
Going ashore.
But you can't leave him there to be killed.
We haven't a chance with that gang.
Get him this time. That nearly got him.
But you can't leave him.
We've got to.